I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the document open and the cursor at the page where Roman numerals should begin. Click Insert, then Page Numbers, and pick a layout that puts numbers in the header or footer. This creates a consistent place for formatting. Once done, enable Different First Page if you don't want the cover numbered. You do this to separate front matter from main text, so Roman numerals won't conflict with later Arabic numbering, and to keep automated page updates working correctly. Now edit the header or footer where the page number sits. Select the numeric value and delete it, then type the Roman numeral you need, such as I, Roman 2, Roman 3. You do this manually because Docs doesn't auto-convert page numbers. Manual entry ensures correct formatting for front matter. Once done on the first page, copy that numeral into subsequent headers/footers on each front matter page to match pagination. Make sure to keep automatic numbering disabled in that section. Finish by inserting a section break where Arabic numbering should resume. This isolates the Roman numeraled front matter. Then insert page numbers in the new section using Arabic numerals. This prevents overlap. If you have many front pages, use a small app script to auto-convert page indices to Roman numerals and populate headers automatically. That saves time and avoids manual errors. If numerals shift or disappear, make sure section breaks and the different first page option are correctly set. Fixing those usually resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.